Hello everyone! Welcome to ConvoBox. In this video, we will learn what a contact is, why contacts are important, and how to add contacts, import contacts, and create groups, step by step. A contact is the person you want to communicate with using WhatsApp automation. By saving contacts in ConvoBox, you can send broadcasts, updates, and campaigns easily. Contacts are very important because without contacts, you cannot send messages or run campaigns. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Open Contacts section. First, click on the Contacts menu from the left side navigation bar. Here you can see the list of all saved contacts. On the top right, you will see two options: Add Contact and Import Contacts. Step 2. Add Contact manually. To add a contact manually, click Add Contact. A form will open where you can enter the contact details. Enter the name, enter the phone number with country code, and optionally add location and email if available. Once done, click Save. Now the contact will appear in your contacts list on the screen. Step 3. Import contacts using CSV. If you want to add multiple contacts at once, click Import Contacts. Here you need to upload a CSV file containing contact details. Before uploading, make sure all required columns in the file are filled correctly. The name and phone number fields are mandatory, and the phone number must include the country code, for example, +91. If you are not sure how to create the CSV file, you can click Download Sample CSV and use it as a reference. After uploading your file, click Submit. All your contacts will be added automatically, and you can see them on your screen. Step 4. Create contact groups. Now let's see how to create a group. A group is a collection of contacts organized together. Groups are useful because they save time and allow you to send messages to specific people instead of everyone. To create a group, select multiple contacts from the list, then click the Create Group option. Enter a group name and a group description and save it. Now your group will appear in the Group section. Here you will see different action icons. The eye icon is used to view the group details. The pencil icon is used to edit the group, and the delete icon is used to remove the group. And that's all. You now know what contacts are, why they are important, how to add contacts manually, how to import them using CSV, and how to create groups in ConvoBox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more tutorials on WhatsApp automation, stay connected with ConvoBox. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.